Hello everyone, this is Hyde from Hyde Motorworks, wishing you all warm greetings from Stuttgart, Germany. Today I would like to introduce you all to our in-house built Centrifugal Supercharger kit. The project is led by our chief engineer Keith Cadwell of Casey Design Concepts located in New Jersey, United States. We call this Project Harbinger.
The idea is we're going to run the supercharger off of a cog pulley mounted on the front of the power steering pump. Originally we're going to run it off of the alternator, but trying to get a pulley the right size with a big enough opening so you can put the nut back on again. Turned out to be pretty problematic. So, and I used to run my M90 off of the power steering pump with a second pulley in the front of it. Never had a problem with it. So, it's mounted on. It'll still keep the stock main drive belt, and you'll still be able to run AC as well. I don't have that pulley on there now, but by running it this way means you don't have to give up anything. And there's plenty of clearance. You run a 90-degree, or actually a 180 off of the inlet of the centrifugal supercharger. Running around towards the front and down slightly. You can attach the mass airflow sensor and then an air filter. The outlet, as you can see, is pointing down. Excuse me. Real easy to attach directly to where the throttle body would be. Either this is an M52 manifold. I've sat an M54 manifold on there too. It won't be a problem. And if you decide to run an air-to-air intercooler or something, that right there the outlet where it's pointing will point down, and then you can run the piping out to an intercooler with no problem, and then run another charge pipe off the other side of the intercooler into the throttle body if you want to push the boost up. The supercharger is supposed to be capable of 12 pounds of boost, which is pretty good for a centrifugal supercharger. And it should be a nice little addition. Trying to keep this as simple as possible by maintaining most of the stock equipment. Factory air box won't fit. I've already test fitted this into an E36 chassis. The first official setup is going to go into an E46, and we'll work out whatever details happens to come up with that. But that's where we're at with it. Keith from Casey Design Concepts with Hyde Motorworks. Be safe.